There are a variety of tapes on the market as well. And what I have here is 3 different types of tape. I'll start out with the mesh tape. This has been around for a long time. This is a little different variety than you're probably used to seeing. This is extra strong. It's a self-adhesive mesh tape. The mesh tapes typically are not embedded in a drying type compound. The mesh tape would be embedded in your setting compound, because most mesh tapes are not as strong as paper, so you need the extra strength of a setting compound. Then we have the traditional paper tape, which has been around ever since drywall started to be taped. It's a great product, it's inexpensive, it's pre-creased, so it works great for inside corners. This is typically embedded in an all-purpose drying type compound, such as the heavyweight compound here. Paper tape has been something I use for years, because it's inexpensive, it's easy to work with, it works with all my automatic taping tools, and it also works very well with hand taping tools. But a few years ago, a new type of tape came on the market that is a fiberglass matte product. This is a very strong tape, and it's used primarily in place of paper tape nowadays. It does not have a crease, but it does fold easily, so it will go into an inside corner. What I like about the fiberglass matte tape is it's physically easy to embed. When you embed paper tape, it has to be pushed into the compound with quite a bit of pressure. With the fiberglass matte tape, you don't have to work nearly as hard. So that's what I like about this. Also, you're less likely to get any air bubbles behind the fiberglass matte tape. I still do use all 3 types of tape. The fiberglass mesh for when I'm in a hurry and I'm using a setting compound. The paper tape I use quite often when I'm hand taping for inside corners, because the fiberglass matte does not fold as easily in the inside corners when I'm hand taping. But when I'm doing just regular seams, I typically like to use a fiberglass matte. So yes, I'm using a combination of all 3 products.